we're gonna get a Skittles.
Skittles.
Okay.
This is a vending machine.
What kind of vending machine is it?
Let's see if it has the brand.
Does it have a brand anywhere? Is there a brand label? Maybe it's on top.
It's on the top.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's a.
We'll find it later. Okay. Put your money in there. Put your dollar in there first. Okay. Try it the other way, huh? Okay. And put your change in there. Go ahead. One more. And it's number 44.
4.
Mm-hmm. And it is a Skittles.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.